dolphins can swim. Though nothing will keep us together. Oh, we can beat them forever and ever. We can be heroes.
And then methodically and calmly loaded their bodies into his work truck, not in a hasty or disorganized way. He was seen from the neighbor's doorbell camera. He was seen from the neighbor's doorbell camera. He was seen from the neighbor's doorbell camera, backing his truck into the driveway, going back and forth into the house and back out to the truck 3 different times, 1 time for each of their bodies. He then drove them away from their family home 1 final time, intent on hiding any evidence of the crimes that he had just committed.
We can be heroes just for one day. We can be us just for one day. I can remember standing by the wall, and the guards shot above our heads, and we kissed as though nothing would fall, and the shame was on the other side. Oh, we can beat them forever and ever. Then we can be heroes just for one day. Oh, we can be heroes just for one day. We can be heroes just for one day. We can be heroes just for one day. Just for one day.